That handsome man right there, his name is Sean. This is his Mustang, his Fox body that we're working on here. He just got it running the other day, and now we're bleeding the power steering, as you can see. Oh, there's a bubble. Are you going to lock the lock?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting bubbles now.
Yeah.
There we go, more bubbles. Yeah, bleed that bitch.
Yeah, it's probably because you put the new pump in. You didn't turn your wheel.
Well, that, yeah. I put the new pump in and the fucking...
Oh, so it hasn't got... Well, I guess it didn't run, so you couldn't bleed it, really.
Yeah.
You need new struts.
I do need new struts.
Here, now I can build my freaking wagon now. But see, it doesn't make any sense. How do you not get air in the system when it's open like that? If there's air going in it.
Because that's where the air escapes. That's the only point.
Because there's all fluid in there now, so there's
Because I never understood that, because I'm like, well, air's going in
Fluid
there.
won't, no, air won't go down, fluid will go down. Should I start it? And then do it? It's everything up.
Fuck! Why would you do that? Yeah, your pump was killing itself right now. I'm surprised we didn't hear it, though.
I'm surprised,
Wow.
too.
You can't hear it.
Yeah, the engine's so fucking loud. Probably was. Just crank it, be a man.
Well,
If it falls, turn it off.
If it falls, it's gonna fall in the oil pan.
no. Take it off. Start it. No.
I think I should get jack stands just
I mean, might as well. We're gonna be here fucking with it for a second, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so Sean's gonna grab some jack stands because he's worried about the Mustang falling if we start it while it's on the jack. But it does have to be raised up so that we can turn the wheels back and forth because he doesn't have a steering column hooked up yet. So he's gonna grab those jack stands, we're gonna start it, bleed the power steering, and that's what we're doing right now, yeah, so. Power steering's bled, she's up and running. As you can see by the inside, she is bare bones. No seats, no dash, no cluster, no nothing. We're gonna fix that. Oh, no, yeah, you do it.
Put what on?
Alright, it's the next day. The homies pulled up to help. That's Tyson's cute ass. Anyway, Sean's going to hand me these zip ties, and I'm going to wire in his gauges, but unfortunately I was way too locked in, and I did not record it. So this next clip is after the fact. Don't worry, you'll see a whole YouTube fucking video.
I zoomed in on his dick like 4 times.
Oh shit, we got light,
Do we?
Yo.
Without key? Why?
Why do we have light?
It should only be...
Did
What did you put that on?
What did you put the
Did you put that on
the
battery?
backlights?
You put that on battery.
The backlights you didn't put the switch.
You put that on battery.
Or what if one of the knobs is up?
I put it on this bottom one. That's constant 12, huh?
That is constant 12, yes.
Alright. Then turn it off real quick. I'll switch it.
And why is my tack not getting power?
What do you mean?
Tack's got power.
It doesn't have lights.
It doesn't have lights.
Does it have its own?
It should. I think it's supposed to have a wire from power to there. If I'm not mistaken.
Cut.
It's the top left one. That's the for the ignition. Tack. So to headlight switch. Instrument light panel. So do I need another wire going to power?
Which one is it?
To headlights. Do you have a headlight switch?
Not yet.
I see. It's this one.
Can I just go to the same power that
Do you have a longer screw?
Probably. That just makes it switch, so it's not on the key itself.
Yeah.
Unless you don't mind it being on full time.
Well, no, because I can put it on the same wire that we're powering the rest, can't I?
Yeah, it'll just always be on when that's on. You won't be able to switch it individually.
That's
but,
fine by
yeah.
me. Okay, so we need to take this back off. We need another wire from the tack. Yeah, so we need... God damn it. So we'll do this.
Get some cooked.
Alright, we'll try that again real quick.
Actually, no. What do you mean you're cooked?
I'm cooked, bro.
He's got a bail, but he
Is
wants
the
to see
battery
it
still
start.
hooked
Battery's not on.
Battery's on.
I'll do the tack a different time then for you. So you can... trip out with it.
Oh, I mean, the lights aren't on.
And then
You have to go
yep.
home when the street lights are on.
But see, this doesn't
Hey, yo, we got
two,
voltage.
These two don't got power.
Oh, yeah.
We got voltage, so that's good. We don't have power to the bottom two, though.
Wiggle some wires.
Oil pressure, you're not probably gonna have any until.
That's weird.
It.
Start it?
I'll have to go through it again and see if I have everything wired.
Fuel level went up, didn't it? It's above E.
Yeah.
It is above E.
Because it's getting signal.
I only have 4 gallons in there, so. But now it's more like 3 or 2.
Start it or what?
Start it. Try.
That crank's really good.
That crank's way better now.
After we fucking tightened up the,
The ground.
fucking...
Yeah.
Don't you make it...
It's... Give me gas.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Fuel pump. So as you can see, despite everything that Sean likes to say, I wired these up just fine and they work flawlessly, and I'm the best person to ever bless this Mustang. Alright, so now that we can see some information with the gauges, see what the engine's doing, temperature, oil pressure, voltage, stuff like that. As you can see right here, Sean's plugging up a vacuum line, getting it to idle a little bit better. So now that he's got it running and things are hooked up, the main issues now is just all the little stuff. I know he's got to wire up his electric fans, probably burp the coolant, wire up headlights and a bunch of stuff like that, he was saying. But for now, I think he's at a good spot. Alright, so as you can see, everybody's pretty stoked on the Mustang. Me and Javi right here plugging up the vacuum lines, getting it to idle a little differently. Sean's playing with the throttle, and we're all just having fun with this car now that it's running. It's pretty sick seeing this thing going now. I've known Sean for a while, and this car's never been running since I've known him, and I've always constantly given him shit about it, bullied him and made fun of him for his non-running car, but now his runs and mine doesn't. So how the turntables. But appreciate everybody for watching if you did watch it. If not, doesn't fucking bother me either way. Love you guys, and bye.